Most of the time, when you have a function that returns a value, that value is meaningful and its caller should do something with it. On this branch, we're creating a string, but we're not actually returning it. This is something that we could have spotted if we were using the unused return value checker. I'll enable that now by going to my build configuration and setting it to check mode. Going back to our code, you can see that there is now a warning here where we are concatenating strings with an operator and then not using the return value of that last plus function. So it points us to a possible problem and it lets us fix our mistake by adding a return here. Over time, we're looking for all Kotlin code, including third-party libraries, to add this kind of information about their return values, so that callers know which ones may or may not be ignored. If I add the must use return values annotation to my current file, you'll see that that opts in all of the functions in this file, such as the greet function, which returns a string, but I've actually been forgetting to use it in the main function. To fix this warning, I have to use the return value of this function somehow. I could assign it to a variable like this, or I could pass it to another function. Let's say I want to print this, so I could pass it to the println function, just like that. You can also ignore values at the call site if necessary. For example, if I was sure that I wanted to call this greet function, but I did not care about its return value, I could always assign it to an unnamed variable, which is indicated by an underscore, like this.